My name's Charlotte Gibson, and I'm an assistant professor in the Robert M. Buchan Department of Mining. So I was born and raised in Richmond Hill, Ontario, which is just outside of Toronto. I come from a family of many engineers. All of my aunts and uncles, as well as my dad, are engineers. And my great aunt was actually the first female engineer to graduate from a Canadian university, and she graduated from civil engineering at the University of Toronto. So I was always exposed to engineers growing up. I studied mining engineering with a specialization in mineral processing here at Queen's. My research focuses on the area of the mining value chain after mining actually occurs, so once the rock has been mined, and we need to separate our valuable minerals, so the minerals that we want, from any waste mineral. One of the most prominent techniques that we use is something called flotation, where we're exploiting differences in the hydrophobicity of the minerals of value or the minerals of interest. And when we grind up all of our rock and add water and then aerate that water, so add air bubbles into the slurry or the solution, we have the hydrophobic minerals of interest actually sticking to the air bubbles and floating to the top or the surface of the tank where we can collect and concentrate them. So by nature, mining is a very multidisciplinary field, and it draws on all aspects of chemical, electrical, mechanical, and computer engineering, as well as geological and mining engineering. So because of that, a lot of the research also has to be extremely collaborative. We're seeing a huge shift in the consciousness of the mining industry, where we need to be operating mines in a way that is much more environmentally conscious and sustainable. I think that a lot of students out there probably have never heard of mining engineering or never thought of mining engineering and mineral processing as a potential career. So I would tell a lot of those students and let them know that mining is such a diverse field, and there's so many different career options that don't necessarily look like working at a mining operation. There's tons of different opportunities within the field, including in research areas.